Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Casual Brews back with another craft beer review. Today we got a good one, I think, here. Um, I reviewed from Boombox Brewing the Juicy AF already. Uh, I forget, I gave it a good score, I know, I forget what exactly I gave it, but I reviewed that as one of my first reviews a few months ago. Now we have the Juicier AF. Let's see here. I gotta figure out a way to record so it goes the right way. But DDH India Pale Ale, double dry hopped India Pale Ale, IPA. Yeah, I'm excited to try this one. I don't think I was trying to remember because I've been to Parallel 49, which is where Boombox brews out of. They use their brewing facilities and obviously serve in their tasting room and patio Boombox beers. I'm like, I saw the single can when I was there buying a few just like yesterday, and I'm like, I swear I must have tried this. Was this for some reason I thought this would have been maybe there when I was at Parallel 49, like maybe 4 or 5 months ago, maybe not even. But I don't think this was here, so this might be new. I could be wrong, honestly. If it was there when I was last there, I would have tried it, but I don't remember honestly. So I know for sure the Juicy AF was. That's been around quite a while, but this Juicier AF, I don't know if this was here when I was at Parallel 49, but if it was, I don't remember, so it's basically as if I've never tried it. So, yeah, with all being said, let's give it a go. Tastes very, or smells very juicy. Okay. Solid pour. Looks about as you would expect. Thick, luscious, juicy. A lot of citrus smell. Thick, opaque color. No surprises at all there. It's a 7.5%, so again, yeah, like a double IPA. Not as strong as the one I reviewed previously. But yeah, still in that ballpark of a double IPA. Generally, I have liked these beers in the past. I like the stronger taste. I like the kick. I like the heavy flavor. I like stronger beers, generally speaking. So I'm sure I'll like this one. But you don't know till we try. Gotta take one sip of water here, cleanse the palate a little bit. All right. So without further ado, yeah, it tastes a lot like I remember the Juicy AF tasting. Well, it's been a while since I've had the Juicy AF. They don't really have it on. I haven't purchased it in a while from a liquor store or anything, but they don't really have it on taps. It tastes obviously. It's very similar. Twin Sails, that juice, very similar to that beer. Um, yeah, this is good so far. A couple sips to really let it sink in. Yeah, it tastes really just as I would expect, honestly. Very solid, very textbook, heavy juice forward, citrusy, hazy IPA. A lot of that like grapefruit, a lot of tang. Now, I'm no expert, even though I, try to learn more about craft beer and that, and I expand my horizons and try different beers and all that, but I still don't really know what like DDH, I know that means double dry hopped. Like what exactly that means. Like just from tasting this, like I could be like it may not even mean like dry taste, but in a way, yeah, it has like a drier taste to it. Like if that makes any sense at all. Like it doesn't like some really juicy, like the regular juicy AF or like the Twin Sales Dat Juice, like kind of two of the bigger, most well-renowned hazy IPAs. They have really heavy fruit flavor forward. Like you don't even taste the booze hardly in them. This one is like a little drier. Like maybe it's just hindsight. Maybe it's just because I'm expecting that from what this beer is called, but it does have like a drier taste to it for some reason. I don't know. A little gassy today. Yeah, like it's got a juice, got a heavy citrus forward flavor, but then it kind of tastes dry on my palate. I don't know. It's bizarre, but anyway, it's good though. It definitely tastes a little stronger than your typical like 5-6% hazy IPAs, but it's really solid though. It's definitely real tasty. Yeah, I don't know. Not much else I could say really. It's kind of as expected, but again, it's got this weird like it does taste kind of like a bit of a dry finish to it. I could be nuts, but it's just kind of how it feels. Still very good as expected. It's right up my alley, so maybe I'm partial to these kind of beers. I'd maybe give it a higher score than some might, but I'm feeling like a 8-1. Again, I don't love it. Like, I mean, it's 8. I'm not going to give an 8 to anything that I don't really like, but I don't love it to that like upper echelon. Like, I think maybe the original Juicy AF is a little better than this one. Yeah, 8-1, very good score. Juicier AF from Boombox Brewing in East Vancouver, brewing out of the Parallel 49 facilities. Yeah, that's a review.